In recent years, there has been growing interest in the connection between stem cells, longevity, and how we can maintain or even improve our health as we age. While many factors contribute to aging, including genetics and environmental influences, there is one area of focus that is becoming increasingly important: the natural healing power of stem cells. But how can we boost the regenerative capacity of our bodies and extend our lives? According to pioneering research by Dr. William Li, certain drinks may hold the key. These beverages, rich in antioxidants and other bioactive compounds, can potentially enhance the body's natural healing process and promote longevity. In this video, we will delve into the three main drinks that, according to Dr. Li's groundbreaking studies, could significantly improve your stem cell activity and promote healthier aging. Before we explore these miraculous drinks, it's crucial to understand what stem cells are and why they are so essential for our health. Stem cells are the body's repair system. They can transform into any type of cell and help regenerate tissues and organs. As we age, however, the number and function of stem cells naturally decline, leading to a reduced ability to repair and regenerate damaged tissues. This is one of the main reasons why aging is associated with a range of diseases, from arthritis and heart disease to neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's. Regenerative medicine, including the use of stem cells, has been a focal point of modern healthcare. Dr. William Li, a renowned researcher and physician, has made significant strides in understanding how our lifestyle choices, including the food and drinks we consume, can impact stem cell regeneration. In his studies, Dr. Li emphasizes the role of specific compounds in foods and drinks that can stimulate the body's own repair mechanisms, especially by enhancing the activity of stem cells. Dr. William Li's research on regeneration, particularly in his book Eat to Beat Disease, has opened new avenues for understanding how food can serve as medicine. In his pioneering studies, Dr. Li identifies several categories of foods that support stem cell regeneration and enhance the body's ability to heal itself. Among these foods are drinks like green tea, pomegranate juice, and even dark chocolate. These beverages, rich in bioactive compounds such as polyphenols, flavonoids, and antioxidants, have been shown to promote the growth of healthy stem cells, protect cells from oxidative stress, and even help prevent chronic diseases. However, it's important to understand that these drinks alone won't lead to a miraculous transformation. The key is consistency and incorporating them into a balanced, healthy lifestyle that also includes proper nutrition, exercise, and adequate sleep. Green tea and black tea are two of the most researched drinks when it comes to their regenerative and health-boosting properties. Both are rich in polyphenols, natural compounds with strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Among these polyphenols, one of the most potent is a compound called epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which is found in high concentrations in green tea. EGCG has been the subject of numerous studies for its ability to protect cells from oxidative damage, reduce inflammation, and promote cell repair. In addition to EGCG, black tea contains a unique combination of polyphenols that also enhance stem cell activity. While green tea is known for its high antioxidant content, black tea, despite undergoing fermentation, still maintains significant amounts of beneficial compounds, making it equally valuable for promoting health and regeneration. A study published in the journal Nature Communications showed that EGCG helps to rejuvenate old cells and enhance stem cell activity, thus supporting tissue regeneration. The research found that green tea could potentially reverse the aging process of the skin by boosting the production of collagen and elastin, two essential components of healthy skin. Moreover, regular consumption of both green and black tea has been linked to improved metabolic health, better cardiovascular function, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. These teas also help protect against oxidative stress, one of the key contributors to aging and cell damage. For optimal health benefits, Dr. Li suggests consuming 2 to 3 cups of green or black tea per day. It is best to drink them without added sugar or milk, as these ingredients can interfere with the absorption of beneficial compounds. Instead, consider adding a splash of lemon or a small piece of ginger, both of which offer additional antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits. While it might sound indulgent, dark chocolate, especially varieties with at least 73% cocoa content, can be a powerful tool for enhancing stem cell activity. Dark chocolate is rich in flavonoids, a group of antioxidants that have been shown to improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and promote cell repair. The flavonoids in dark chocolate, particularly those from cocoa, can increase stem cell production, which supports the body's natural healing processes. One of the most well-known flavonoids found in cocoa is epicacin, which has been shown to enhance stem cell activity by stimulating the production of new blood vessels, a process known as angiogenesis. This is especially important for improving circulation and ensuring that tissues receive the oxygen and nutrients they need for repair. In a study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry, researchers found that regular consumption of dark chocolate improved brain function, protected against cognitive decline, and even enhanced the body's ability to heal wounds. These benefits are primarily attributed to the flavonoids in chocolate, which act as powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents. To gain the maximum benefits, Dr. Li recommends consuming dark chocolate made with at least 73% cocoa. For those who enjoy hot chocolate, consider making it with unsweetened cocoa powder mixed with water or unsweetened almond milk. Avoid adding sugar or whipped cream, as they can detract from the drink's health benefits. Pomegranate juice is another beverage that has been shown to offer remarkable benefits for stem cell regeneration and overall health. Pomegranates are packed with antioxidants, particularly L-agitannins, which are responsible for much of the fruit's health-boosting properties. L-agitannins help protect the body's cells from oxidative damage and inflammation, two of the main contributors to aging and disease. Research has demonstrated that pomegranate juice not only helps protect against heart disease, but also plays a role in enhancing the body's immune function and reducing the risk of chronic conditions like cancer. Studies have shown that pomegranate L-agitannins can inhibit the growth of cancer cells by starving them of their blood supply, a process known as anti-angiogenesis. This makes pomegranate juice not only a potent anti-aging beverage, but also a valuable addition to cancer prevention strategies. In one study published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition, participants who consumed pomegranate juice daily for several months experienced improvements in markers of inflammation, oxidative stress, and cholesterol levels. Furthermore, the L-agitannins in pomegranate juice have been shown to support gut health by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria, which play a crucial role in immune function and overall well-being. Dr. Li recommends consuming 100% pure pomegranate juice without added sugars. One glass, approximately 8 ounces a day, can provide enough antioxidants to support cellular health and boost stem cell activity. For a refreshing twist, consider adding sparkling water to your pomegranate juice to make a healthy, bubbly drink. While there are many drinks that can boost stem cell activity and promote health, it's equally important to recognize the beverages that can hinder your efforts to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Two of the biggest culprits are alcohol and sugary drinks. Alcohol and sugary drinks are two common beverages that, when consumed excessively, can have serious negative effects on the body's ability to regenerate and repair itself, particularly by harming stem cells. While alcohol is often consumed for its social and relaxing effects, its long-term impact on health can be detrimental. The liver, which plays a critical role in detoxification, metabolism, and maintaining stem cell health, is particularly vulnerable to alcohol's harmful effects. Excessive drinking can lead to liver diseases such as fatty liver, cirrhosis, and liver cancer, all of which reduce the liver's ability to support tissue regeneration. Furthermore, alcohol induces oxidative stress and inflammation, damaging cells, including stem cells, and impairing their regenerative functions. Alcohol's impact goes beyond liver damage. It disrupts sleep patterns, preventing the body from entering restorative sleep, which is crucial for cellular repair. Since stem cells play a vital role in tissue regeneration during sleep, alcohol's interference with sleep further hampers the body's ability to heal and repair itself. Additionally, alcohol has been shown to inhibit neurogenesis, or the growth of new brain cells, which can lead to cognitive decline, memory problems, and mental health issues such as depression and anxiety. Sugary drinks, including sodas, energy drinks, and sweetened teas, also pose significant risks to the body's regenerative processes. These drinks, high in refined sugars, cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, which trigger a release of insulin to regulate glucose. Over time, excessive consumption of sugary drinks can lead to insulin resistance, a condition that sets the stage for type 2 diabetes. High blood sugar also promotes the formation of advanced glycation end products, AGEs, which cause oxidative damage to cells and impair stem cell function. As a result, the body's ability to repair damaged tissues and regenerate healthy cells is compromised. Furthermore, sugary drinks contribute to chronic inflammation, which is a key factor in the development of many chronic conditions, such as heart disease, diabetes, and autoimmune disorders. Chronic inflammation creates a harmful environment that inhibits stem cell function, making it more difficult for the body to regenerate healthy tissue. Sugary drinks also lead to weight gain and obesity, particularly by promoting the accumulation of visceral fat around critical organs like the liver and heart. Visceral fat is known to disrupt insulin sensitivity and hormone regulation, further impairing the body's regenerative capacity and increasing the risk of chronic diseases. Beyond the metabolic issues, sugary drinks also have a detrimental impact on bone health. High sugar consumption has been linked to decreased bone density and an increased risk of osteoporosis. This is because excessive sugar intake interferes with calcium absorption, a vital mineral for maintaining strong bones. Since stem cells are responsible for regenerating bone tissue, any impairment in calcium absorption can weaken bone regeneration, leading to brittle bones and a higher risk of fractures. Both alcohol and sugary drinks significantly undermine the body's ability to repair and regenerate itself, primarily by disrupting stem cell function. Alcohol damages vital organs like the liver, causes inflammation, impairs sleep, and inhibits neurogenesis, while sugary drinks promote insulin resistance, chronic inflammation, and metabolic dysfunction. Both types of beverages contribute to the aging process and increase the risk of chronic diseases, making it crucial to limit their consumption. By reducing alcohol and sugary drink intake, we can better support our body's natural healing processes, protect stem cell function, and promote long-term health and longevity. Incorporating the right types of beverages into your daily routine can have a profound impact on your overall health, vitality, and longevity. Green tea, dark chocolate, and pomegranate juice, when consumed regularly, can boost stem cell activity, support the body's natural healing processes, and protect against chronic diseases. However, it's important to remember that these drinks are most effective when combined with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and good sleep habits. At the same time, it's essential to avoid alcohol and sugary drinks, which can undermine your efforts to maintain a healthy, regenerating body. By making small changes to your lifestyle and incorporating these stem cell boosting beverages, you can take proactive steps to age more gracefully, feel more energized, and improve your overall quality of life. If you're ready to start drinking for better health, consider adding these powerful drinks to your daily routine. Your body will thank you, and your cells will be better equipped to regenerate and keep you feeling youthful and vibrant for years to come.
If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. Thanks for watching.